Wig travel. Your tickets are booked, your bags are packed. How are you taking your wigs? I'm Chaya G. I'm a wig wearer. Yes, it's a wig. And I'm a wig expert, and I'm here to share with you my pro wig tips. When people think of traveling with a wig in a travel box, many times they think of a shoebox. The problem with the shoebox is it's a square shape. So the wig, which has a round shape from the head, gets warped. Not just that, it will move around since the wig does not actually take up the space in the shoebox. Let me show you. Take the wig and put it into the shoebox, and you'll see, of course, it's not shaped properly like the shoebox, but also it will slide around, which doesn't make for a great outcome. Come with me while I go on a pretend trip and see what else can go wrong traveling with your wig in a shoebox. So you see why a shoebox is not the greatest idea. With the travel box, you have a zipper to keep it securely closed. You have a carry handle, which makes carrying it a breeze. If it gets wet, just wipe it off with a towel. It will not seep through. I'm going to show you how to pack two different style wigs, one more wavy and one a straighter look, into the travel box for a great travel experience. Stick around till the end. I'm going to share with you a pro tip for traveling with your wig. What you're going to need is a travel box, which I've linked in the description below. You'll need a piece of tissue paper, and that's it. The first thing you're going to do is take the wig, and you're going to put the wig in the box with the net facing towards you, just like so. Then you're going to take your tissue paper and put it into the inside of the net. And gently fold the hair on top of that tissue paper. Once the wig is nicely in the box, you're going to lift it from the front so that the top of your wig, you're looking at the top of it from the top of the box. Now, you can leave the box open until it's time to actually leave, and then close it, zipper it, and you're good to go. With the straight style, it's a bit different with packing it with the hair inside the net. Let me show you. Again, you're going to take your box with the tissue paper, take the wig, again, the net facing towards you, facing up, and put the wig into the inside of the box. You're going to take the tissue paper, put it into the inside of the wig, but this time, you're going to fold the hair. Instead of just putting it in a pile on top of the tissue paper, you want to put it around the tissue paper. Once that's done, again, bring the top of the wig towards the top of the box. Leave it open until travel. Once you get to your destination, you'll see that your wigs are in the same place as you put them to begin with. They haven't moved or slid around, and they maintain that round shape. All you have to do is take them out and shake them out a little bit, and you're ready to wear them. Now for my pro wig tip. Never check your wigs into your luggage. Always keep them with you with your carry-on. Same way you wouldn't check in your expensive jewelry, you want to keep your wigs with you. That way there's no risk of them getting lost. You know where they are at all times, and you'll have them when you get to where you need to be. Thank you so much for watching. If you like this video, don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe, because there's many more videos coming your way, all wig everything, styled by Chaya G.